Dynamo converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. A commutator used to change the direction of current in coil of DC motor and DC generator both. Potentiometer measures the electromotive force. An electrical device that works on the principle of Joule law of heating is immersion rod. An electric generator is a device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Conversion of energy in electric motor is electrical to mechanical. The element used as fuse when fuse current flows through it is called melts. Electric motor works on the principle of Fleming left-hand rule. It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Galvanometer is used for measuring small electric current. AC generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. The phenomenon behind working of electrical oven is Joule heating effect. In a dynamo, electric current is produced as principle of electromagnetic induction. The most essential difference between a DC and AC generator is DC generator has permanent magnet and AC has an electromagnet. The fuse protects an electric circuit from overloading. In electric motor, the force acting on arms of armature of motor that are perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field are equal in magnitude and opposite direction. Full form of CFL is compact fluorescent lamp. LED in CFL are replacing ordinary bulb from illumination due to energy efficiency. The fuse used for domestic purpose is rated in 1 ampere to 10 ampere. Fuse protects the circuit and appliances by stopping the flow of excessively high current. In an electric motor, direction of current flowing through the arms of coil will be opposite to each other due to Fleming left-hand rule. A device employed to produce large current for use in homes and industries, the electric generator. In an electric motor, the carbon brushes act as contact between commutator and the terminal of the battery. In an electric generator, magnetic energy is used to rotate a conductor. In a mechanical energy is used to connect magnetic field to produce electricity. In electric current, the direction of fuse of a current is reversed using split ring. Working principle of electric motor current, coil carrying conductor experiences force in region of non-uniform magnetic field. An electric motor is a device which converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. Energy conversion in water pump from electrical to mechanical. Nichrome is used to make an electrical heater because it has high resistivity and high melting point. Generator is a device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Instrument used to measure current is called ammeter. Thermostat is used in automatic heating appliances to control temperature. A voltmeter is an instrument which can detect the presence of potential difference. AC is converted into DC by rectifier. A device to protect electrical device from voltage spikes is called surge protector. The components store energy in form of electrical energy. Capacitor. Instrument based on heating effect of electric current is electric heater. Example of conversion of electrical energy to mechanical energy is electric fan. Commonly used in electro heating device, nichrome. An electric transformer works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. The working principle of power transformer is based on Faraday law. The core of a transformer is limited to reduce the current, eddy current loss.